CTV News with Dara Schwartz.
Good evening. Thank you for joining us. Hundreds of Montrealers were marching through downtown today, part of a global movement against genetically modified foods and the Monsanto Seed Company. Organizers say marches were planned in hundreds of cities around the world, all meant to call into question the safety of GMOs. Betty Salas joins us. Here in Montreal, the rally was actually about two things.
Yes, Sarah, protesters wanted to voice their anger about some of Monsanto's business policies, but they also want Canada to make new laws so that any genetically modified food is clearly labeled to give people a choice about whether or not they want to eat them. The rain did little to dampen the spirits of this crowd, angry about genetically modified foods grown from seeds that are engineered to resist herbicides, among other things.
If corn syrup is everywhere, and it comes from genetically modified corn, well, it's everywhere. So how can I keep that from my plate? It's impossible.
Many came to the protest with concrete demands.
What I'd really like is an outright ban on GMO.
Everything should be organic food.
There's a phrase you say, I am what I eat, and I don't want to have a third arm growing.
While the organizers say they are against Monsanto and other companies specializing in GMOs, they believe there may be another way to solve the problem.
What we're demanding that is very concrete, that resonates with people's lives, is mandatory labeling. That is one thing that at our level of population and within our government, we can get done.
A representative for Monsanto says the company respects other people's opinions, but they believe their seeds do more help than harm. The company maintains that in the next few decades, farmers will have to grow more food than ever because of the world's exploding population. Monsanto says their technology helps farmers grow more food using less water and energy. But these protesters and others like them around the world are wary about Monsanto's objectives and are worried about what is already on the shelves in local grocery stores.
About 70% of the transformed product in our grocery store have GMOs. Because GMOs are mostly present in soy and corn and canola, and those products and their byproducts are in basically everything that is transformed.
The group promises more protests in the future as they prepare to present a petition demanding mandatory GMO labeling to the Premier in the coming months. Betty Salas, CTV News.
A journalist